welcome back to the channel. Welcome everybody, for all my subbies, welcome back guys. Thank you for the support, thank you for sticking around. For all my new subscribers, welcome to the family, and I pray you stick around because this channel is awesome. I do homemaking here, I do cooking, cleaning. Guys, you're gonna enjoy this channel. Now guys, in today's video, it's about midday here guys. I'm home and I don't have any bread in the house, and honestly guys, the cost of bread these days is a bit high for a family of mine, especially for 5 people, and the type of bread that we like guys. Buying a bag of bread right now for $6-7 and it only gonna last me 2 days is a bit much. So I decided to do some sweet bread and do some baked bread guys. So come along with me guys. Baking at home is just so easy, it's just so inexpensive, and you know what's in your bread, it's more flavorful and you get more for your buck. Okay, so I hope that this inspire you mamas out there as well to get up and get in your kitchen guys. Here I have just going to put the coconut in the blender guys. It's also cheaper to buy your coconut whole and bust it yourself, dig it out, grate it yourself, than buying it already grated guys. Everywhere you can save a little coin in this time, you need to. So let's do that together. So let me blend up here guys and enjoy the rest of the video.
Oh, broken neighbor, is your mind? All the scars that's leaving behind. We light the world up now, let us fire in your eyes, to the darkness, into the night. Oh, broken neighbor, is your mind? All the scars.
Alright guys, so here I'm actually gonna use half of the coconut that we just blended, and I'm gonna cook it down on the stove here with some sugar, some essence, some spices and so forth guys. But I just add the essence when it's finished cooking, and you take off the stove so that the essence flavor won't get cooked away, you know, while you're cooking it. So we're just gonna cook this until it browns and get a little bit sticky and everything guys. This is just gonna be this is gonna be all filling for the sweet bread guys. So yeah, it's guys so good, so good.
Oh, broken neighbor, is your mind? All the scars that's leaving behind. We light the world up now, let us fire in your eyes, to the darkness, into the night. Oh, broken neighbor, is your mind? All the scars that's leaving behind. We light the world up now, let us fire in your eyes, to the darkness, into the night.
Alright guys, so here we're gonna make up the sweet bread now guys. We're actually gonna do the base for it guys. Making sweet bread is so easy, so easy guys. I'm gonna actually put up the ingredients on the screen for you to see if you would like to try to make it yourself. Now guys, remember, you can make these breads with whatever you have in the house. Once you have the main ingredients guys, you can make sweet bread, you can make bread, you just need the main ingredients guys. Like in this case today guys, I forgot to buy cherries and I still could have made my sweet bread because I had the raisin. Even if you don't have the dry fruits, you can still make sweet bread, because they have some people that I know that they like sweet bread but they just do not like the fruits in it. So guys, you can tweak this to however you like, it's your kitchen. Okay, so remember that guys out there now, to buy a sweet bread of this size that I did, it is actually nearly, I think some people selling one for $10, the cheapest. And if it's really a really nice good sweet bread guys, with all the everything inside of there, you may have spent up to $15 for the size that I did guys, especially for the big pans that I am, my big loaf pan guys. So me baking home, I got me 3 sweet bread and I didn't have to go and spend all the money. So yeah guys.
Oh, broken neighbor, ease your mind. For all the scars that's leaving behind. We light the world up now, let us fire in your eyes. To the darkness, into the night. Oh, broken neighbor, ease your mind. For all the scars that's leaving behind. We light the world up now, let us fire in your eyes. To the darkness, into the night.
Alright guys, so I put them in another bowl. We're gonna left these aside, let it rest until the filling is cool, and then we'll put it together. Alright guys, so on to making my salt bread loaf. Guys, baking the bread is still the recipe that I use all the time. It's just sometimes I do loaves and sometimes I just do the salt bread, which everybody prefer in my house to me doing the salt bread, guys. But it's the same recipe, easy and simple. And guys, when I put up this recipe on the screen, you can see how simple the recipe is and how simple this is to do, guys. It's just for me to get up and do it, guys. I'm showing you there that I forgot to buy yeast and I only had a little bit. I was worried, but in the end God made it make it work out, guys. He really did. So enjoy, guys.
You are so heartless, and you don't care. And I don't even know what I've been fighting for. You got me hoping, and you don't care. And I don't even know what I've been fighting for. Every time I fall in the deep, and I can't fight it, I can't fight it. You wreck my mind, I'm losing my sleep. And you know that it's all that I need, so don't leave me alone. La 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 la, don't leave me alone. La 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 la, don't leave me alone. I know it's reckless, but I don't care. You're dangerously close and I keep going on. You keep me fading, and I don't care. 'Cause I want everything that I've been running from. Every time I fall in it deep, and I can't fight it, I can't fight it. You wreck my mind, I'm losing my sleep. And you know that it's all that I need, so don't leave me alone. La 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 la, don't leave me alone.
Alright guys, so here I am preparing my pans. These two pans that you see me lining with foil, these are old pans. It's just that I just ain't get to throw them out as yet. When I buy more like the other ones, I will throw them out. So what I do when I bake with them, I just line them with foil paper and they do a very good job, guys. The other 4 pans are quite new, so these 2 are just the old ones that I need to replace. So I'll do that soon, guys, when the cash flow in. So now I'm just preparing them, guys, and then we're gonna start baking our bread.
You are so heartless, and you don't care. And I don't even know what I've been fighting for. You got me hoping, and you don't care. And I don't even know what I've been fighting for. Every time I fall in the deep, and I can't fight it, I can't fight it. You wreck my mind, I'm losing my sleep. And you know that it's all that I need, so don't leave me alone. La 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 la, don't leave me alone. La 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 la, don't leave me alone. I know it's reckless, but I don't care. You're dangerously close and I keep going on. You keep me fading, I can't fight it, I can't fight it. You wreck my mind, I'm losing my sleep. But you know that it's all that I need, so don't leave me alone. La 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 la, don't leave me alone. La 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 la, don't leave me alone. La 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 la, la 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 la, no, don't leave me alone. La 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 la, la 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 la, don't leave me alone. La 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 la, don't leave me alone. La 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 la, la 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 la, don't leave me alone. You are so heartless, and you don't care. And I don't even know what I've been fighting for. You got me hoping, and you don't care. And I don't even know what I've been fighting for. Every time I fall in the deep, and I can't fight it, I can't fight it.
Alright guys, so my bread has risen, so now I'm depuffing it and we're gonna place it into the loaf pans and we're gonna cover it and we're gonna let them poof again in the loaf pans, and then we'll put them in the oven to bake when the sweetbread is finished, guys.
You wreck my mind, I'm losing my sleep. And you know that it's all that I need, so don't leave me alone. La 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 la, don't leave me alone. La 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 la, don't leave me alone. I know it's reckless, but I don't care. You're dangerously close and I keep going on. You keep me fading, and I don't care, 'cause I
Alright guys, so in this clip I was just showing you guys why I buy the Plenty or the Bounty. Look, I clean off the guys twice with it, and here I'm just rinsing it out and I can use it again, guys. Just to I don't like to use my cloth to clean the flour because the flour sticks up in the cloth and then it's difficult to wash it out. So I just use one sheet of tissue, guys, and look, it clean the table and it clean whatever mess was on the floor, guys. Alright, so the sweetbread is out of the oven, guys. If you could smell my kitchen, we are about to put in these as they are risen. So we're about to put them into the oven and let them bake, guys. Alright guys, so here are all the bread all done and ready. They are cooling here now, guys. Guys, if you could only smell this place, guys, I hope this inspires you to get up and get in your kitchen and do, guys, because this is gonna last me and my family for the rest of this week, guys. So I don't have to worry about bread or anything like that. The sweetbread we snack on, or we could have it for tea for breakfast, guys. So good. Here now, guys, they are all cool and I'm gonna actually cut into them for you guys so you can see the luscious. Look at that, guys. See how easy that knife going through that, guys. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Look at how fluffy and nice inside is. Look at that, guys. Oh, look at that sponginess. Lovely, guys. Lovely. Guys, now on to the sweetbread. Guys, I just love when the outside of sweetbread is crunchy and the inside is just soft. Guys, look at this. Look at that. Oh my, oh my. Look at that goodness. Guys, I just love to bake and to do my stuff. Guys, look at that. Look at that. Guys, we're gonna enjoy this. Hope you enjoy. Thank you guys for watching. See you